Spring salad with a rainbow of radishes.
Be careful, do not cut yourself, and slice very thin, a nice selection sideways of those 3 radishes.
Very good.
Just put them in here. Just like maybe a half a cup total.
Just
I'm
let you
gonna
know.
make a vinaigrette, and what I've done is I've taken some orange or grapefruit juice, in this case some grapefruit and orange juice. I've reduced it down till it's like syrupy. Nothing else is in here. So to this we're gonna add a little salt, some soy sauce, some Chardonnay vinegar, some mustard to go with the French radishes.
Yes, oui.
Okay, and a little honey. And then finally, some olive oil, extra virgin. And not a lot, not like a vinaigrette a lot, but just, I would say 50% olive oil. Okay, to this bowl, we're gonna add a little fennel, some radishes.
Those gonna be pretty.
So pretty, right? That's just perfect, that's enough of those. And these are the watermelons, yeah, okay. Now, for the salad, I have avocado.
Oh,
Because you're gonna
look at this
see
guy.
the combination of this velvety, creamy fat with the spice is really gonna be balanced, especially with this orange vinaigrette with mustard. There's a lot of ways to cut an avocado. You don't wanna like do too much to it.
Oh, man.
Kind of fan it, you don't have to, but it's such a beautiful thing, avocado. No
Really?
particular
Oh, this is...
rhyme or reason. Then I'm gonna put the citrus first
Okay.
Okay.
because drizzle is gonna take care of everything. First thing I do is I'm gonna put the sauce on top. The last thing I'm gonna do is salt it, because if I put the salt then and the sauce after it, it's gonna push the salt off. So it's really important that this really coats the avocado. It does 2 things. It flavors it. A little in here,
Yes, don't neglect the radish.
a little in here. No, I'm done with that, Jeff. A little
don't want
bit
none of these?
that's all. A little salt in here. And then we're gonna salt the avocado. Then some serrano chilies that I de-seeded and diced. So I just think that this, if you put this on a plate in summer or in spring, everybody's gonna love that. And there you have it.
Gorgeous.
Your radish salad.
I get the whole thing.
How about you?